question is, what is Excel? Excel is a spreadsheet program that allows you to enter, organize, and analyze data. It's a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of tasks, which includes tracking financial data, managing customer lists, creating budgets, and performing statistical analysis. Now, for the data to be put into your Excel, there's a step called data entry. Now, this is the first step in using Excel, and it's the process whereby you put in the data, and that can be done manually or imputing it from another file. Now, when you've gotten your data in your Excel, the next step is what is called data cleaning. Now, for data cleaning, once your data is in Excel, you will need to clean it up, which involves removing duplicates, correcting errors, formatting your data consistently. Now, Excel has a number of tools that can help you clean your data, which includes the find and replace feature, the text to column feature, the data validation feature. Now, after you're done cleaning your data, the next step is data analysis. Now, for data analysis, Excel has a number of tools that can help you analyze your data, which includes pivot table, charts, and formulas. Now, for pivot tables are a tool for summarizing and analyzing your data. They allow you to group your data by different categories and calculate totals and averages. For charts are a great way to visualize your data. They allow you to see the trends and patterns in your data that may not be obvious when looking at your data in a table. Now, lastly, for formulas. Formulas are used to perform calculations on your data. You can use formulas to calculate totals, average, percentages, and lots more. Now, to enter a formula in a cell, simply type an equal to sign followed by the formula you want to use. Now, this is a brief summary of Excel and the tools on Excel. Now, for our next video, I'm going to explain how to use these tools, and I'm going to show you step by step how I use them. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Peace.